Oh, someone has a very itchy ears. Welcome back to a new episode of Laughing Tales, where we laugh at hilarious animal antics. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below your favorite video. Let's get started. Oh, that was that face, that look, those eyes bulging out. Mine, no, mine, no, mine. Those are some cute pugs. Oh, the Coke bottle's so perfect for puppies. Oh, it's the elastic bands. Oh, oh, Dippy. Oh, their bark. Oh, oh my God, that's, jeez. Oh, I see. They need to put something. Oh, oh. Just sitting on her shoe. That's a chunky pug. Chunky. Oh, look at the rolls. So cute. Oh, just what is that? Oh, uh-oh. That's something she's not supposed to have. They're so funny when they sit like that. Oh, does that feel good, eh? Oh, finding a spot or fluffing a pillow. That's so funny how dogs fluff pillows. Okay, we're moving on to number 2. Okay, on to number 2. Oh, oh. Where'd it go? Oh, just so confused. It's like, excuse me. Oh, oh. Just falling asleep. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Oh, it's like the fake attacker. He's like, yeah, no, food first. Oh, does that taste good? Oh, no, just freaking out. Doesn't like that. Oh, where did he go? Some dogs, oh, so afraid of their cats. Oh, the tail. Jesus. Oh. Oh, different way. That's an interesting way. Oh, oh. That's hilarious. Okay, that is that one, and we're moving on to the last one. Comment below your favorite video clip. I forgot to start recording and started talking, so it made me laugh. Okay, on to the last one. Oh. Oh. Someone has a very itchy ears, or ears are bugging him. Oh. What's there? Oh, ice cube. Ice cube time. Ice cube time. It's so funny how some dogs love their ice cubes. Oh, mine. Oh. Oh. Just let me fluff my way. Oh, Jesus. Run past the balloon. Oh, oh, a little scared, eh? Are we? I was falling asleep. Oh. What is this? All over a cat, eh? All for a cat. Oh my God. Oh, it's out there. Oh, something's out there. Oh, it's Friday. Woohoo. That's what she's saying. That's cute. So, before I let you guys go, if you ever watch those 2 beagles with the couple that tries to cook with them, those make me laugh, and maybe I'll put some on here if they're okay with me doing that. Okay. Anyways, that is it for me. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. We'll chat soon. Bye now.